is bulletproof, there's no fooling you. I don't dress the same. Me and who you say I was yesterday have gone our separate ways. Left my living fast somewhere in the past, cause that's for chasing cars. Turns out open bars lead to broken hearts. I'm going way too far. I know it used to be crazy, I know it used to be fun. You say it used to be wild, I say I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me, that's fine, I've had a good run. I know I used to be crazy, that's cause I used to be young. Take one, pour it out, it's not worth crying about the things you can't erase. Like tattoos and regrets, words I never meant and ones that got away. Left my living fast somewhere in the past and took another road. Turns out crowded rooms empty, I'd assume there's somewhere else to go. That's cause I used to be young. I know it used to be crazy, messed up, but God, was it fun? I know it used to be wild, that's cause I used to be young. Those wasted nights are not wasted, I remember everyone. I know I used to be crazy, that's cause I used to be young. You tell me time has done changed me, that's fine, I've had a good run. I know I used to be crazy, that's cause I used to be young.
You might think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me, can you keep it up? Cause then I'll have to keep you up, so maybe I'ma keep you up. Fine. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No one keeps quickie, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight, 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight, 30 for 35.
Can we stay up all night? Up a jet lag, you bring your finest and overnight back. Add up the numbers or get behind that. Play and rewind that, listen, you'll find that. I want that 6ix9ine without Tekashi, and I want your body, and I make it obvious. Wake up the neighbors, we got an audience. They hear the clapping, but we not applauding. 6 o'clock and I'm crushing. When it gets 7 o'clock, now he running. When it hit 8 o'clock, we said fuck it. Forget your girl, pretend that I'm her. Can make a cap hurt, and make my back hurt. Ay, making that squirt, and rain the shower, the spray. Now that's perfect, baby. We don't sleep enough, but I'ma keep you up if you can keep it up.
Baby, can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight, 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight, 30 for 35.
Rock you like a baby but you know I'm about to keep you up. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to teach you something. I can make it pop legs up like a can. Wake the neighbors up, make it sound like the band playing. Let me get cute. He's about to come through. Hopping in the shower for about a whole hour. He finna act a dog in it, so he get the foul kitty. Netflix or Hulu, baby, you choose. I'm up like Starbucks, 3 pumps, ooh. This good for your health, call it superfood. When I'm by myself, DIY like a shoe too. Bad, all the boys wanna spank me. Left him on red, girlfriend need a thank me. Vegas toast point, ballerina, no tutu. Baby, I'm the best, I don't know what the rest do. Dive in that water like a private island. 34, 35, we can 69 it. And I've been a bad girl, but this on a good list. I hope you ain't tired, we ain't stopping till I finish.
Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 34, 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 34, 35. Means I want a 69 with you. No. Math class. Never was good.